Hi guys, welcome to Aussie's group again. This is Vidisha and I am back with the idiom pop-up. In fact, we've done 19 idioms, so this is the last idiom that we are going to do, last pop-up that we're going to do. And the last two idioms for the day are, so the first one is getting back to the drawing board. So getting back to the drawing board simply means getting back to square one, getting back to where it all started. So if I join the new company, it's like I'm getting back to the drawing board. The second is a gray area. Now I think everybody knows what a gray area is. A gray area is something which is very unclear. Being in the dark is a gray area. So I always tell my friends to tell me the truth and not to keep me in the gray. So two idioms for the day. The first idiom is getting back to the drawing board and the second is a gray area. Thank you so much, guys. I hope these idioms, we've done 20 pop-ups. There are almost like 40 idioms for you to use in your speaking, and I hope they are useful to you. Please like, share, subscribe. If you really need any other help, we're all there for you. Thank you so much.